Hi, it's Barb again with all your plant-based recipes. Today we're going to be making an old-time favorite, cherry vanilla ice cream with the Ninja Creami. For those of you who haven't bought one yet, you better get it. It's the latest craze. You can really make some delicious ice cream very easily. We're going to start off with 2 cups of cherries. I've already taken the pits out and also took the stems off. We have 6 pitted Medjool dates. And for those who are new to Medjool dates, you can get them in Costco or Whole Foods or anywhere. They're really, really good. They're good for you and they add sweetness to any recipe. Okay, so we also have some organic alcohol-free vanilla. I was trying to get the real beans, but I couldn't find them. We have my old-time favorite Japanese sweet potatoes that have been baked and peeled. These are going to be the base of the ice cream, and they are very, very sweet. If you haven't tried Japanese sweet potatoes, you have to try them. We also are going to have some pure maple syrup to add some sweetness and a little bit of sea salt. So we will get started. I am going to break apart the potatoes just like this and just drop them in the blender. This is a Ninja blender that's kind of strong. So I can really pack it with just about anything, like whole carrots or whatever. It just spins it all. It's just great. So we're going to put, that should be enough. I'm not even going to put the last, I'll put the last potato. Okay, and then we have our 6 pitted Medjool dates and just a little pinch of salt. Not a lot. And our maple syrup. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in half of these now, and we're going to use the other half, so 1 cup and 1 cup, for tomorrow to put in the mix-in when the Ninja Creami ice cream is all frozen. Okay, so let's get this going. Okay, so we spun it a little bit. We're going to be adding a cup of water. And spinning it again. So it's all done spinning. What we're going to do is we're going to pour these halfway. Because they tend to fluff up once you put them in the machine. So I wound up putting in 3 tablespoons of the vanilla and about a cup and a half of water. So we are going to pop these in the freezer, and tomorrow we are going to spin them in the Ninja Creami. We're going to put these in the freezer overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to put these in the Ninja Creami and spin them, and it's going to be wonderful cherry vanilla ice cream, and it's got no processed sugar and no dairy. Totally plant-based and healthy for you. Good morning. So it's been frozen overnight, and what we're going to do is we're going to pop it into the Ninja Creami machine, and it's going to spin it up, and it's going to be wonderful, wonderful ice cream. You'll see. Okay, so it's all done spinning, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a well in the center, and we're going to put in the cherries from yesterday, not all of them because we have other containers, but we're going to put them in there, and then what we're going to do is put it on mix-in this time, and this is going to be wonderful cherry vanilla ice cream. Okay, so it's all done spinning. Look at that, nice and creamy. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoot it into our ice cream bowl. Look at that. Wow, cherry vanilla, homemade with fresh cherries. Look at that. Let's taste. A little chunk of cherry in there. Mmm. Wow. That's good. Hope you make this at home. Make sure you like and subscribe and click on description for recipe and click on more for all the health benefits of all the ingredients that I use.